Sofi Savvy, mastering your money with debit card tracking. Ever frantically search your bags for your debit card, heart pounding because you think you left it at the store? We've all been there. But what if there was a way to ditch the panic and keep tabs on your Sofi debit card with ease? That's where Sofi's handy tracking features come in. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about monitoring your Sofi debit card activity and location, turning you from a card-fumbling flyer to a Sofi master. So, buckle up, Sofi fam, because we're about to unlock the secrets of staying in control of your finances. Knowing your territory, the Sofi mobile app. First things first, let's talk about your central hub, the Sofi mobile app. This is where the magic happens, and tracking your debit card becomes a breeze. Open the app and navigate to the banking section. Here, you'll find a dedicated tab for your Sofi Money account, the home of your debit card. Tapping on this tab brings you face-to-face with your financial playground. Transaction tracking, keeping receipts in your pocket. One of the most valuable features for keeping an eye on your spending is transaction tracking. This bad boy shows you a detailed breakdown of all your debit card activity. Every swipe, every tap, every ATM withdrawal, it's all laid out for you, clear as day. Not only can you see the amount spent, but you'll also get the merchant name, date, and even time of the transaction. Think of it as a digital receipt collection system, all within the app. But here's the real kicker, you can filter these transactions. Need to see only the coffee runs from the past week? No problem. Want to analyze your weekend shopping spree? Easy peasy. This filtering function helps you categorize your spending habits and identify areas where you might be able to tighten the belt. Location, 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 peace of mind with geolocation tracking. Now, let's talk about that missing card situation. Sofi offers a fantastic feature for those moments of mild, or maybe major, panic, geolocation tracking. Within the Sofi app, you can see the most recent location where your debit card was used. This doesn't pinpoint your card's exact physical location, but it tells you the general area of the last transaction. Think of it like this. Did you swipe your card at a grocery store across town yesterday, and now you can't find it anywhere in your house? Geolocation tracking can tell you if the card is still somewhere near your usual haunts, offering a sigh of relief and a starting point for your search. Security first, keeping your card safe. Security is paramount, and Sofi understands that. While geolocation tracking can be a lifesaver, it's important to remember that it doesn't provide real-time location. For ultimate security, Sofi offers features like transaction alerts. You can customize these alerts to receive notifications every time your card is used, giving you instant awareness of any suspicious activity. Additionally, Sofi allows you to temporarily freeze your card directly through the app if you suspect it's been lost or stolen. This instant freeze feature puts you back in control, preventing any unauthorized transactions until you can locate your card or report it lost. Bonus tip, embrace automation. Sofi lets you set up automatic features to make managing your finances even more effortless. For example, you can enable low balance notifications that ping you when your account dips below a predefined amount. This helps you avoid overdrafts and keeps your spending in check. Sofi Savvy, you're in control. By mastering the tracking features within the Sofi mobile app, you transform from a passive spender to an active money manager. You can monitor transactions, gain peace of mind with geolocation tracking, and prioritize security with features like transaction alerts and card freezing. Sofi empowers you to take control of your finances, ditch the debit card drama, and become a Sofi master. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.